Good morning, students. Today we learn the properties of SCF and LCM of given number. First property, product of two numbers equal to product of their SCF and LCM. If you take any two numbers such as the number are 8 and 12. Two numbers 8 and 12. First of all, you find their HCF. SCF of 8 and 12 is 4. SCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Then you find the LCM of the given two numbers. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Then you find the product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to 8 multiply 12. 96. Then you find the product of LCM and SCF and LCM. Here we see that the product of two number is 96 and the product of SCF and LCM is also 96. So we say that product of two numbers equal to SCF multiply LCM. Suppose you have given the product of number and SCF, then how can you find the LCM? If you have given the product of two numbers and SCF and you have given to find the LCM, then you take LCM equal to product of two numbers by SCF. Also, if you have product and LCM are given and to find their SCF, then you should take SCF equal to product of two numbers by LCM. And if you have given among two numbers one number given and SCF and LCM also given, then how can you find one among both two numbers? Then SCF multiply LCM by other number. If among two number one number is given, SCF and LCM also given, then to find the other number you should take SCF multiply LCM by other numbers. In this question you say the SCF of 8 and 12 is 4, which is smaller than the both number, and you have also LCM of 8 and 12 is 24, which is greater than both number. So we say the next property, the SCF of the SCF of two number, the SCF of two number is always less or equal to the given a smaller number. And the next property, here the property is the SCF of two number is always less or equal to the given smaller number. Here the smaller number is among 8 and 12, the smaller number is 8 and the SCF is 4. The SCF of two number is always equal or less than the smaller number. Okay, then our next property of LCM and SCF is the LCM of two numbers is always more or equal to the given greater number. Among 8 and 12, 12 is the greater number and the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. We observe that the LCM is greater than the given two numbers. Sometimes the LCM is equal to the greater number. Okay. The next property of LCM and SCF is the SCF of two co-prime number is 1 and the LCM of two co-prime number is their product. You take any two co-prime number such as 4 and 9. You took any two co-prime number 4 and 9. Here both numbers are composite. 4 and 9 both are composite. When you find their SCF, then SCF is 1 and LCM is their product. Here we observe that the SCF of 4 and 9 is 1 and the LCM of 4 and 9 is their product. Next one property of SCF and LCM is the SCF of any two or more numbers is the factor of their LCM. Here you see the LCM is 24 24. We try to find all the factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. You observe that SCF is the factor of their LCM. This is the most important property. The SCF of any two or more numbers is the factor of their LCM. The LCM of two numbers is 24. Then we find all the factors of 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. We observe that 4 is the factor of 24. This property satisfied that the SCF of any two or more number is the factor of their LCM.